So by the law of logarithm, we can evaluate this by saying log x base 2 can be expanded to be written as log x base 10 over log 2, right? Then plus log x base 10 over log 3. This is base 10 and this is also base 10 is equal to 5. The only way to solve this at this point is to remember that logarithm to base 10 is also what we call the natural logarithm, ln. Okay, so we can replace ln in each of these logarithm and evaluate this fraction the normal way. So in place of this, we are going to rewrite this as ln x over ln 2 plus ln x over ln 3 is equal to what? 5. All right, so in this case, this is a usual fraction. What you can do is to take the lowest common multiple of the denominator, and since it is ln 2 and ln 3, you can simply say multiply through by the product, multiply through by ln 2 ln 3 by the product. Okay, so you are multiplying each term by this product and then you simplify. So what you do is the first term becomes ln 2 ln 3, you multiply it by the fraction, which is ln x over ln 2. All right, then plus ln 2 ln 3, you multiply it by the second fraction, which is ln x over ln 3. Okay, and then we have the fact 5 there multiplied by ln 2 ln 3. Now we can break this down further by saying this cancels ln 2 cancels ln 2, then ln 3 cancels out what? Ln 3. Okay, and then the fraction we are now left with what? Ln 3 and then ln x for the first term, plus then we have ln 2 then ln x. Okay, this entire fraction now is now equal to this, and then on the right hand side we have ln 5 ln 2 ln 3. Okay, easily you can see that ln x is common here. We can factorize ln x out and this becomes ln x, and then we are left with ln 3 plus ln 2. All right, and that will be equal to 5 ln 2 ln 3. So ln x open bracket ln 3 plus ln 2 is equal to 5 ln 2 ln 3. So what you can simply do in this case is to ln 3 plus ln 2 can be combined by the law of logarithm to become ln 3 times 2, which is 6. So what we have is ln 6 from the bracket, and then we also have ln x on the outside, and then we have equal to ln 2 ln 3. Okay, this is what we get. And now in this case we can now say divide both sides. Just to get x, first of all we say divide both sides by ln 6, and then we get divide both sides by this, and this cancels out this. What we are left with is ln x is equal to 5 ln 2 ln 3 over ln 6. Okay, so to get the value of x, all you can simply do is to take the exponent of both sides. When you take the exponent of both sides, this becomes exponent ln x, okay, is equal to exponent of the entire thing here, which is 5 ln 2 ln 3 over ln 6. And you know that exponent of ln x is equal to x, so you will see that on the right hand side x easily comes out and it becomes, the value of x becomes x is equal to exponent 5 ln 2 ln 3 over ln 6. This becomes your final answer. Okay, hope you understand, and if you have any questions, comment below and we'll see you in the next one.